Have you ever been in a situation where there was a problem with a helicopter while you were in flight or on the ground, but someone was too nervous or afraid to speak up?
So the event that comes to mind was my first cross-country flight as a co-pilot in DC. I was the only member of the crew that was not an instructor or evaluator. After we landed, we initially got a call to come back immediately due to impending thunderstorms and snowstorms in the forecast. We disregarded that warning, and then when we did fly back to base, we hit the snowstorms and thunderstorms and started to accumulate ice on the aircraft. As co-pilot, I trusted my crew members that they knew what they were doing, even though it seemed to be a bad idea at the time. When we landed, we actually had ice accumulated on the helicopter, and we landed about an hour late from our initial landing time. So during that flight as co-pilot, I should have requested that we land and do a precautionary landing en route to avoid the icing conditions. Also, as co-pilot, I should have spoke up when the aircraft commander disregarded the initial request to immediately return to base. But I didn't, because I was the most inexperienced member of that group.
In your culture, what happens if someone in a lower position notices a problem? What do they do?
So amongst aircrew, it's expected that junior members will speak up if they notice that a problem is going to occur. During my aviation experience, this has helped us tremendously. It has stopped the crew from taking off in bad and decreasing weather conditions. It stopped the wrong target from being engaged on numerous gunnery sorties, and it's also stopped us from taking off with significant mechanical issues that were unnoticed to the rest of the crew except for that junior flight member.